What's up, this is Ricardo. In this video I'm going to show you how to replace the LCD display assembly. Mine is obviously dead. There might be a variety of reasons for your issue, so if you need help with your repair, or if you need a Dell replacement part, or if you need a tool to do the repair yourself, links are in the description below.
Parts People tutorials. Upgrade or repair your Dell. Need the part? Find it here.
Definitely note that there are two versions of this model, and that this tutorial is aimed specifically for those that have the NVIDIA GeForce MX 570. If you're not sure which one you have, go to the search bar in Windows and type in Device Manager. From there, go ahead and navigate to the Display Adapters dropdown, and you can find out which you have. I recommend using a plastic scribe, as well as a Phillips number 000 for the bottom base cover, and then a Phillips number 0 for the rest. Alright, first loosen the two captive screws and then remove the remaining screws. Then use your plastic scribe to separate and remove the bottom base cover. And disconnect the battery. Now unscrew and remove the bracket. Then you will unsnap the antenna cables and slide out the wireless card. Now unclip and disconnect the display cable. Then unscrew and remove the LCD assembly. The reassembly of your part is as simple as retracing your steps in reverse. If you still need to purchase your replacement part, click here to visit our site and find it. And while over there, you can view our printable instructions that include images to help you along the way. And also don't forget, we have more playlists here, so keep checking back. I do read your comments, so leave any questions you have for me down below. Thanks for watching.